Hello, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 7. And the name of the chapter is Places of Worship. In this chapter, we will learn about the different places of worship. So, let's begin with the chapter now. Scholars, before starting with the chapter, I would like all of you to open page number 44 and see this exercise given here. This is a picture of a school. Is school a place of worship? No. We go to school to study, but we do not go school to do prayer there. Okay? So, we will put a cross here. Now see the next one. It is a picture of a mosque. So, is it a place of worship? Yes, scholars. It is a place of worship. Here, Muslim people go to pray. Okay? They pray to Allah. Muslims worship in a mosque. So, we will put a tick here. Okay. Moving on to the next picture. It is a picture of a hospital. So, according to you, is hospital a place of worship? No, it is not a place of worship. Because people of different religion do not go there to worship their God. It is a place where patients are admitted and they are treated. Okay? So, we will put a cross here. Okay. Moving on to the next picture. It is a picture of a church. So, is church a place to worship? Yes, scholars. Church is a place to worship. Christians worship in a church. They pray to Jesus Christ. Okay? So, this is a place of worship. So, we will put a tick here. Okay. Moving on to the last picture. It is a picture of Gurudwara. So, is it a place of worship? Yes, scholars. It is a place of worship. Sikh worship in a Gurudwara. So, we will put a tick here. So, scholars, I hope by seeing this picture, it is clear to you which are the places of worship. Now, let's learn more about places of worship in detail. Okay? Dear scholars, as we all know, India is a land of many religions. People here have faith in different religions. Every religion has its own place of worship. There are various places of worship where people go to pray to their gods. Scholars, there is only one God. We know God by different names. God created the world and filled it with people and other living creatures such as plants and animals. People pray to thank God for giving them food, shelter, and clothes. Most of all, people pray to God to give them a happy family and friends. Now, scholars, let's learn more about the different places of worship. This is a temple. Hindus worship in a temple. They pray to different gods like Lord Rama, Lord Shiva, Lord Ganesh, Goddess Durga, Goddess Lakshmi, etc. The Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus. The temples have idols of God and goddesses. This is a mosque. The Muslims pray in a mosque. The Muslims offer namaz 5 times a day. The Quran is the holy book of Muslims. This is a Gurudwara. The Sikhs pray in Gurudwara. The priest in Gurudwara recites the Gurbani, saying of the Gurus. The Sikh take part in Kirtan, that is, devotional songs, and seek the blessings of their Gurus. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. The teachings of 10 Gurus and their saints are written in the holy book of Sikh. This is a church. The Christians pray in a church. They pray to Jesus Christ. They assemble in the church on Sundays to pray. It is called service. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. The priest read from the Bible during the service. So scholars, these were the different places of worship. Dear scholars, all the religion teach us to love and help each other. So, we should also respect all the religions. So scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 7. Now, it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So, the first point to remember is India is a land of many religions. Second point to remember is the Hindus pray in a temple and Bhagavad Gita is their holy book. Third point to remember is the Muslims pray in a mosque and their holy book is the Quran. Fourth point to remember is the Sikh pray in a Gurudwara and their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. And the last point to remember is the Christians pray in a church and their holy book is the Bible. So scholars, now keep revising and practicing the exercises and question answers which is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. And don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Thank you.